Hello everyone! Today's video is sponsored by a delicious cracker brand, but first let me tell you the cheeses I'm using. I first started out with an aged Gouda, then went in with some slices of Manchego, as well as some Brie, and then lastly my personal favorite, which is honey goat topped with red pepper flakes for the perfect savory and sweet kick. But you know what's also savory and sweet? Today's sponsor, Airly Crackers. The first ever climate-friendly snack made with wholesome oats and grains that are grown through special carbon farming practices, allowing each box of Airly to actually remove greenhouse gases from the air. So when it comes to helping the planet, there's no need to sacrifice great taste. They come in 4 delicious flavors, both savory and sweet, and perfect for every occasion, especially paired with a charcuterie board. And did I mention they come in an adorable cloud shape? The sea salt cracker pairs perfectly with a little spread of goat cheese and a honey drizzle, and the cheddar cracker pairs nicely with a slice of Manchego and any kind of cured meat. But honestly, the crackers are so good on their own as well. They also come in sweet flavors, such as chocolate and salted caramel. So leave a comment down below if you would like to see a dessert board next. Airly crackers are available online at Amazon and airlyfoods.com.
To you.